Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Halal Kombucha. To begin, understand that Halal Kombucha requires careful attention to alcohol content. Traditional kombucha can contain up to 1% alcohol, but for a halal version, we aim for less than 0.5%. This involves specific brewing techniques and ingredient choices to ensure compliance with Islamic dietary laws. For your Halal Kombucha, gather your ingredients: tea, sugar, a SCOBY, and filtered water. It's vital to confirm your SCOBY has not been exposed to non-halal substances. Brew your tea and dissolve 1 cup of sugar in 4 cups of hot water. Let this sweet tea cool completely before adding it to your SCOBY and 10 cups of cold water in a clean glass jar. The key to Halal Kombucha is controlling fermentation. Ferment for a shorter duration, usually 3 to 5 days, to minimize alcohol. A cooler temperature, around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, also helps. You can also use a specific yeast strain known for lower alcohol output. Regularly test your brew with alcohol strips to ensure it stays below 0.5%. Once your kombucha is ready, it's time to add some delicious flavor. You can use a variety of halal fruits, herbs, or spices during a short secondary fermentation period. After flavoring, bottle your finished brew in airtight containers and immediately refrigerate it. This crucial step halts further fermentation, ensuring your kombucha remains halal and perfectly refreshing. For more financial wisdom and other great deals, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade Halal Kombucha, a truly rewarding and healthy beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.